Don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay. Still not understanding this logic. Ay. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up.
Today, y'all, I am about to show y'all how to revamp this wig, y'all. This wig is like, I don't know, like a year older, something like that. A couple months old. I didn't use this wig like 2-3 times. I don't know, but look at it, y'all.
Okay, here's what the lace look like. There's a lot of leftover old glue caked into the lace. So first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning the wig and getting it ready to prep. And when cleaning the wig, you want to make sure that you get all of the glue off of the lace so that you can get that fresh install look. So what I did was I went ahead and I went with my shampoo and I applied the shampoo onto the lace and I went ahead and scrubbed it. Scrub. Make sure y'all get inside the lace really good. Make sure you want to get all of that glue off.
Want you bad as ever. Don't let me just let up. I wanna give you better. Baby, it's whatever. Somebody gotta step up. Gonna let somebody on next up. Be damned if I let them catch up. It's easy to see that you're fed up. I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Fuck him, girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Your love that holds me together. Lately you say you been killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right. Left hand is steering, the other is gripping your thigh. Light up a spliff and get high. Shawty, you deserve what you've been missing. Looking at you, I'm thinking he must be tripping.
Okay, so after going back in and scrubbing, I ended up soaking it a little bit. It's okay if the glue doesn't come all the way out. You can soak it to loosen up the glue a little bit more. And then I went in with this detangling brush to go ahead and detangle it, get all the knots and naps out, and then brush out all of the leftover glue that was caked up into the lace. After washing and detangling the hair, I'm going to go in and with my Cantu conditioner to give the hair some moisture, and I'm going to condition the hair. You can use any conditioner of your choice. I specifically use the Cantu brand. The hair looks way better now. The lace is very much clean. It's giving new wig, used wig wear. So I love it. Your lace should be looking like this when you finish cleaning it, basically. Next, I'm about to just go ahead and rinse out the conditioner. Next, I'm about to use my wig head and stand, and I use my T-pins from the hair store to go ahead and secure the wig onto the wig head, and I'm going to get ready to blow the hair out.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my home. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you see the sun come out again. I be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before.
Okay, so to really spice it up, I got this bundle from the hair store. No more than $60, a 613 bundle. And I'm going to add tracks of the 613 bundle in between tracks of the black to really spice it up and change the wig and give it the real revamp look.
Tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say oh. Know you're trying to leave, you miss. I saw the dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me. You.
So when sewing the bundles in, the blonde bundles, to really give it that kind of highlight effect, what I did was I sewed one track over the first black track, and also to not make it look too full, I sewed a blonde track over every 3 of the black tracks going forward.
Baby, now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. just start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. Now I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if the shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Homie, you can understand. Y'all make the dance like this. Y'all make the bounce like this. You gotta know she was made for you, and you wanna do everything she want to, man.
Oh, listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute shit to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit me 'cause you know I like it. Breaking up a date for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up and tell me, baby. Fucking it up like Lucy Daisy. Ain't no way then but some maybes. Don't be caught up in that shit like you lazy. I need you to roll up in that shit like you scared. Don't hold up on my shit, I hate waiting. Shoot your shot and be patient. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you hit me 'cause you know I like it. Breaking up a gate for you. Sweet baby, like it when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside.
Just so you know, I am actually sewing the bundles on the wig cap, the net part. I am not sewing the bundle onto the track. It's a little space to work with, but you have to just take your time and be very precise.
Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Oh yeah, you know you try one time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie. No, I need it more than just one time, 2 times, a few times. You know that I need it to me, baby, right one time. Baby, bring it to me, try one lie. I'm putting it overtime and overdrive.
Give me low, turn me round, treat me like a watch, bust me down. On the kitchen floor, right on that towel. It's my and I want it now. Ow. Tell me how you want it. Put me on my back, on my stomach. Baby, let me blow it like a trumpet. I could do it all. I could probably suck a watermelon through a straw. Believe me, every other day, new wig, new hair. Come take me out, just move clear. I be waiting on you with some long. Jurade just down low like bombs. Suede boom. Nothing but a robe in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Believe me.
Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me your outside, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get wild. Pull up in the cold, let me say, let me do that shit again. Ooh, yeah.
When finishing off my track, I like to triple tie the thread into a bow just for the extra security. After I finished putting in the 613 bundles, I went ahead and I pre-flat ironed the hair just because it makes it easier for me to get it with a bone straight look versus trying to flat iron it when it's on my head.
Ooh.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Hey, yo, talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. They don't want it. I peek, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care. Anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. I'll still say what he wants to. Still wet like a big. I should run a whole blog at this rate. They using my name for clickbait. They even wanna start fake beef. Just sell a little weed in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb. They ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is low. Somebody just gotta practice along. So she being tamed. I'd rather be wild. This bandit they wanna be down. Soon as got something to sell, they say my name, Destiny Child. Everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be this. They fuss you out. Hate me. Read my problems. Suck my all of that talking. I'm calling it out. Public opinions from private accounts. You not a check, then you gotta bounce. I got the drip. Come get it now. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. This is mad. This is trash. This is the grouch. See me win. Ain't gotta hurt. Ouch. So when they see me, what they gon' do? Up on the couch. Back.
Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Ladies and gentlemen, there's something about this girl, man. From around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words.
So I finished flat ironing the hair. Now here you see me going in with my She Is Bomb edge wet sticks, and I'm going to go ahead and hot comb all of those baby hairs and all of the extra hairs back, so that when I apply the lace, it makes it easier to lay it down. I don't want any hairs in the way.
I wanted to run away. Simply run away. Can try to run and hide. It won't make a difference.
After I finish doing that, I am going to go and do my easy, simple breakdown. Y'all do not judge. This will not be the most perfect breakdown, but it's going to work for what I need it to work for. So, yeah.
Before the double R, I had to hitchhike zone. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion, make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Funk it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
Here I'm about to turn around and show you guys how I connect my braid. When I do my braid down, I like to connect my braids. I'm going to slow it down a little bit more and show you guys one more time for the ones that missed it. So what I do is I braid down. When I get almost to the bottom, I pull the ending of the last braid into that braid and continue to braid it down.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something.
Here is my breakdown, and like I said, it's not the best, so don't give it too much. Don't get on my little bean head because I know it looks funny right now. I'm tucking this braid in because I don't like the hanging braids. Some of y'all be having y'all braids hang down below your wig. I don't like that. So what I do is tuck it through the braids. Or you could sew it down, but in this case, I'm going to tuck it in because I'm doing it on my own head and I don't know how to sew on my own head. I'm not going to take that risk.
That makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can get it.
So here we go with my Got To Be, yes, the Got To Be Ultra Glue, one of the best products to use for me when doing wig installs. So I'm using this to go ahead and lay back my edges. Y'all, please lay back y'all edges and go ahead and protect your edges, because when you take off them wigs, y'all want to still have edges. Some of y'all be looking like a jump scare.
Something, baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space.
And then I have my Eben adhesive spray, another one of my faves to use. I use this to spray down my hair just to give it a little bit, make it a little bit harder, since I'm not going to use a ball cap. I want to really do my best to protect my edges.
I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't want to leave. You know, I wouldn't want to bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
Okay, so now I'm going in with one of the best, yes, the best lace glues, which is the boho adhesive. Make sure you get the extreme kind for that extreme hold. I love to use this. When I use this glue, 2 to 3 layers, my installs last me 2 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks minimum. Okay, so once you apply your 2 to 3 layers of glue, making sure that each layer it dries clear. When the last layer dry clear, go ahead and apply your wig. You don't want to wait too late. You want to apply it kind of right after it dries, the last layer dries clear, so that it'll still be tacky enough to grip the glue. And then here I'm just pressing the lace in with the glue to make sure that it's all the way down. I'm going to give it an extra melt by applying the lace band, but once you have it positioned where you want it and press down with your fingers or the end of the comb, you can go ahead and apply your lace band for 5 minutes.
I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my.
On to one of my favorite parts of the install, the baby hairs. Yes, I love a good baby hair. So here I already, since you know it's a reused revamp wig, I had previous edges already cut. So what I did was just pull those out. Along with pulling those out, a few extra long pieces came in. As you will see, I'll go back in and cut those longer pieces, but make sure not to pull too many edges out because you don't want it to look too thick.
My body's so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. I know
Okay, so this front piece, you see me bothering it because it's not as melted as I wanted. So I'm going back in with a little bit of my bolt hold adhesive, and I'm going to apply some more and then press the lace back down. And this is totally okay because you don't want to put too much glue. You do not want to use too much glue to where it comes below where the lace starts at. So that's okay if you have to go back in and add just a little bit more glue. I'm using my Got To Be glue once again to do my edges.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, was packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon belt on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow, and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the belly, yeah. Speed post, baby, and make it beat. Waves in my head, smoking weed. Been through the sand in the G. All because of what I did on beats, baby. Life sweet, baby. I ain't stop, baby. You just go get ready, we go out, baby. Long time looking for the process.
After finishing my edges, I go in with my E-bend spray to give it that extra hold and to also help give that lace the final melt, and then I tie it down with my wig band. Okay, you see your girl got on a completely different outfit, so I'm feeling myself, y'all. The highlights is definitely highlighting. They're giving what they're supposed to give. I actually didn't style my hair the same day. I came back the next day, and now you will see this is what it looked like after I took the wig band on, and now I'm going to go ahead and style it.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come on me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, ça pourrait pas arriver.
This is my first time trying this hairstyle. I've seen this little trending hairstyle where they do the two parts with it going back into the ponytail and do the little claw clip look. So bear with me. I am not perfect, but I am trying to attempt this style and it actually came out cute.
Full speed, je suis ton génie. Rolls Royce back in hidden deals. Bags full of $100 bills. Walking past your wife and she get chilled. All because of how I kept it real. Like sleep, baby, on the speedway. I'll get you anything you need, baby. Work for everything you see, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, tell me, if I let you.
To really get this hair to lay down how I want it, I'm just going in with the hot comb to straighten it out a little bit more.
You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the beach. Full speed, ça pourrait pas arriver.
Okay, and I use some foam to go ahead and get the hair to lay down the way that I want it and get it to kind of go in the direction that I want it to lay.
You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. On me, fly you out the beach. Full speed, ça pourrait pas arriver. Never falling, why you making problems? I've been silent, why you making problems? I'm a problem, being rich is not my fault. You decide who you think you should reside with. I've been quiet, hard to miss me when I'm flying. Going out to Keiko, she can stay in my room, she can stay in my room, and it ain't mine.
Make sure to make your ponytails tight. I went to clamp my back ponytail and it started shifting up, so that's why I had to redo the ponytail and make it tighter. Okay, so I clamped the back ponytail to connect with the front one. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm taking my small tooth comb, and I'm just basically teasing the hair to give it that spike look and to get it to sit up more how I want it to, give it that kind of rock star on the edge look. And here is the final look. I really love how it came out. The hair is giving, it's contributing, it's giving on the front of a magazine cover. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this, if it was helpful, comment down below. If y'all are inspired by this look and try it, tag me in your post. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.